When will they learn? Everyone's wrong.
So we're back in the room with another shooter.
Hello TikTok, I come to you with shit car. Right, so I got some right hammer for saying this car is a scrapper. Now I'm going to show you why this car's a scrapper. It's not worth just putting a plate on it. I thought you lads fixing cars. Right, here we go. Start from the back and go in. Now this is a plus. R53 trailer now, it's cool. Subframe down. I mean, if you're going to do them, you should have done that. And then you paint. Someone's painted over all. Look at the sill. The sill's splitting away. It's all rotten. It's all of it's gone. Right. There's another hole here. Right there, inspection hole. Just in case you want to look at the back of the carpet, you can see it through here. You honestly think this is just a plate job? Somebody's sprayed all of this to hide it all. This thing is next level. All the boot floor under this will be just... Is that a hole? Oh, look at that! Look at it, it's done. I'm contemplating saving this car, but I don't... There's nothing left to save. I'm surprised it's still standing up ramp. It's just...
Oh, look at this.
Nothing's been treated before it all. It's all gone in, what?
Yeah, it's just underbody spray.
It's just cover it over to try and get through a test. I've got no idea. Well, this came from Glasgow and it's clearly probably been up in North Sea. Every car I get from Scotland, other than the ones that's been in a collection and garage, please still sell me cars, they look like this. This is why sometimes I don't like selling them into Scotland, because I'll never be able to buy them back. But it's all gone. And this is not surface, this is... There's not much of the metal left. Right, usual spots for rotting. Let's find out. Right, what we got around here. Look at the state of that. It's alright buzzing it down, but you need some metal left to actually work with. The thickness has gone from all the surface. Look at it. This is hide it job. Look at the state of that. Now, if anyone knows any ice blasters, feel free to DM me. See if you can resurrect this and let's have a look what's underneath it. Mine and Cullen's plan was to buzz it down and just have a quick look. We still might do that, but judging by all of this, it's much worse than we think it is underneath. I mean, the telltale signs are here and here. All of this. Oh, this. Oh, yeah. Oil leaks, oil leaks. The arms up. This has been next at sea. You don't get this when it's sat on your drive. That's salt. It's just pure sea salt.
Look at that power steering fan. It's covered in rust juice.
Rust juice.
Yum.
Look at the Jubilee clips even rusted. I think this has been in like a flood at the sea. I've never seen one like this. It's just every little bit of it's rusted. Right, there's no restoring this car. Look. Oh my god. It's even wet underneath. Oh my god,
That's a hole.
is that a hole?
Is it just under?
I mean, have you ever seen? I've never seen that. Not on one of these. This is pure raw. It's rotten to the core. In other news, we've got a job advertisement. We're looking for a welder. We need 10 applicants. It's a day's job. Just a trial. Bring your own gear.